Well, good morning, Shoot Fish Life. We're going on another fly fishing adventure today. I think, anyway. My buddy Cale sent me this pin, said be here 7:30. It's like 7:28. I'm just sitting in front of some random people's house. So we'll see if he shows up or if he meant to send me that or I'm supposed to be at his house. But I don't know where we're going yet. But it'll probably be a secret because it's not my spot and I didn't find it. But it should be a good time. We should find some fish. Got a new Euro rod from Redington. Because, after Cale kicked my butt with the Euro rod, he talked me into getting one. So we'll see how that goes. I still need to get new lines for them Tenkaras because I lost those. But we'll try the Euro today since we got that. Anyway, we're just chilling and waiting and hoping that he shows up. So we're out here trying the new Euro rod today. And fishing some stuff that I feel like I'd just rather have my 3-weight, but I got the new rod and I didn't know where we were going, so we gotta try it. And technically this is a 3-weight, but I don't know what we're going with it, so I guess it's a good place to practice. Maybe if we go back to that honey hole, that last place, we'll be able to get on them, or I'll know how to use it better. Easy there, bud. What are you doing? You're not supposed to try to catch the fish with your teeth. You all right? Hey, we got a fish. First fish on the Euro rod. Nice. Maybe. A little guy, but this long 3-weight makes him feel decent. What do we got? We got a crazy guy is what we got. Oh, I missed him. My netting job was very subpar. Nice little brown, it looks like. Throw this up here. Yeah, a little brownie. Calm. Oh, did you get yourself off? What the heck? I think he got himself off. Oh yeah, he got himself off. So, about fall in. Okay, see you, buddy. Sweet. Just chilling right there. Nice. Breaking in the new rod. For a minute I thought I was stuck, so that was interesting. Gotta learn how this rod works. Ooh, that might have been a fish. Probably bomb. I don't know if you can see these multicolored line dillies on here, but that's what you use as your indicator. And I'm still probably not using it right. Like, I'm kind of trying to cast it because that's how I'm used to using it. And then you just kind of watch your line, and supposedly it lets it get to the bottom faster than using a thingamabob, and you're more in tune instead of having this big long stretch of extra line between your thingamabob and your flies. See that was the bottom. We're gonna have to get that unstuck. But also supposedly your drift will stay better because your thingamabob's gonna do weird things with drift where normal fishing line kind of lets the flies do the drift and it's not as effective as much. Oh, and we popped out while I was chatting, so that was cool. Didn't break off, did we? No. There's some grass on there, but we'll fix that in a second. But anyway, so kind of interesting. Just let it float along there, see if it changes heights. Or mainly you want the line tight though. I think I need a little more weight. You want it tight instead of where I'm kind of using it loose, and then if it goes tight, I'm probably on the bottom finally, or it's a fish. So I'm using it a little wrong, I think, but this is pretty skinny water compared to what I think this is made for. But we're gonna make her work because this is the only rod I brought. Oh, there's a little guy. No, that one's super dink.
What we got? I don't think this one's net worthy. This one ate the scud. It's like that was a little cutthroat. Not sure what kind is around here because he's super small. But a little cutty. Choo. Thanks, bud. Alright, back to what I'm doing. I'm gonna add just a little tiny weight right here. Right here, and see what happens. See if that helps me get on the bottom a little better or what. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm just trying things. Never done this. Well, I mean, I'm kind of doing the same thing as normal, I guess, but let's see what that does right there. Oh, we got to the bottom a lot faster because we got stuck. So that might be what we needed to help guide it a little better. Oh, that is a fish. Oh, it's crazy. I thought that was bottom. Come here. You're gonna just get off. Nice little brownie. Well, we caught, this is our middle size. Caught bigger, smaller, and oh, I don't even see, buddy. I think he might have ate twice. So I'm having a hard time, especially in that hole, telling what's bottom and what's not. Hey, I figured there'd be a fish in this hole. That was first drop in there. A little psycho. I'm almost thinking the net's gonna be a bigger pain here than it's worth. That might be our new big one. Another nice little brown. Eating this green fly. Nice. Sweet. See, that was probably good I added the weight because this hole's quite a bit deeper. Man, it's raining. It's like the first time I felt rain in months. This is great. I was worried about it being hot, so I didn't wear waders. The river was super cold when I first got in, but it feels good now. I don't know where these guys are. They must be at some magnificent hole. I've just been slowly fishing up, and I think they're cruising along, or they know the spot. Oh, there's a... No! That was probably the biggest fish so far. Probably like a 12-incher. Dang it. Thought I was just on a rock for a minute, so I didn't really set the hook. So I'm trying this in front of me, so onto the side, and it's kind of weird, but there he is again. Maybe. That looks like him. That's a better fish. Get the net out. Oh, that's a better fish. What do we got? We got a brown, a cutty. I think it's a big cutty. Oh. I think this is a nice cutty. It's hard to tell. I can't believe he ate again, unless this is a different one. But... oh my goodness, that is a beautiful cutthroat. Oh my goodness. All right, that was sick. Just tiny random hole. It wasn't this one, was it? No, it was up there. So let him come down here. Yeah, either there was two there or he came back for it. I kind of think he came back for it. Oh, what was this hole here? That was so weird because I'm again, casting in front of me, which is not really how you're supposed to use this rod, I don't think. But that's the only way I felt like I could fish this hole, because that side's got a tree. This side, I ain't screwing with these thistle. I hate that stuff. I already got a little sting needle on my hand from messing with climbing out of the river earlier. So, but hey, I guess even though that's not how you're supposed to use it, it worked. Whew. That rock was a little slickery. Made fun of Cale for sliding in, then I'll slide in. Whew. There's one. Whew. Acrobatic. I think this is a brown. Uh-oh, am I stuck? Oh no. We're not stuck. Whew. Browns are acrobats like this. Come here, buddy. Actually, calm. Yeah, another brownie. Nice. That's number 5. That one's on the scud. Oh. Ow. He just broke me off on my thing. That was my fault being dumb. Oh, no, he didn't. Just got whipped and it tangled all my line right there. That was dumb. Should have been using the net. Wow! Alright, we still launching them out of the water. Calm down. You're already out of the water. We already sent you flying. I don't charge airfare. Little cutty, it looks like. If you quit freaking. Yep, nice little cutty. Sweet. Oh, alright. I set that a little hard there. Still not quite sure about the whole Arrowhead thing. What I'm doing now, I could do with a normal 3-weight. The only thing that's making it nice is that colored line. See how the... Oh, he tangled me. Oh! See how he... I don't know if you saw the colored line freak out. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but that's what made it nice. Because I can't see my normal line. Should we net this one? So we don't... He's not a giant. But, oh, he's going to be at me before I can net him. Come here. Skidoo. Another little brownie. Nice. Oh, these guys are doing good. Because if not, they're passing a whole bunch of fish because I still ain't seen them. Thanks, buddy. Another little guy. Kind of pulled him out of the water. Not too bad. Shoo! They're liking that bottom fly. I don't know what it's called. It's calm. It's this little beadhead green guy. I usually use like a beadhead zug, but I figure these fish are a little smaller. So, one with that. Beautiful little cutthroat. Oh, I missed it. There you go. It's a nice one.
Feel little guy. That's all right.
Hey, on the dry though?
Yeah, it's fine. Wow. Heavy, right?
Nice little brown.
Brown, yeah.
No. Wait, he's running upriver. Hey, this is might be the new big one today. Ah! I think my cutty was a hair bigger.
Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again.
Do what? Catch the other one?
Let's see, hold him up for us.
Ow!
That's a brown, right?
Yeah.
Alright, got him.
Yellow or brown. I've been paying attention up here, upriver, where those guys are. And I looked back and I was like, oh, I wonder if that's something we should be worried about. She looks dark. Oh, that's a fish. Whoa! Thought I was stuck on the rock. Come on, buddy. No, I missed. That was some horrible netting. Another nice cutthroat. That one's good looking. Oh, come on. Good looking fish. Sick. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, we were talking about it.
I just act like a I'll make up a number and the number of fish I caught.
I gotta give you something.
Yeah, I mean, I really didn't even see you catch one.
I saw him catch a small one.
You'd run ahead, nobody could see him. You'd be like, I caught like 7 up there. Aww. You got a Jeep.
I think. Last famous words.
Oh, that came. That's gooshing out of there. Dang.
It really is.
Holy
I'm
cow.
gonna move around these logs and hopefully not.
Yeah, I think
Yeah, dude, I gotta take a picture of that.
Damn, we could have got stuck in here.
I know. That's what I was thinking.
They were up there fishing, and then all of a sudden, we found the phone, and they were just videoing away and taking pictures.
Dude, that's...